Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to use Dreambox, how to log on, and how to use your QR code. So first thing you need to do is to open your browser and then type Southwood Elementary School. Click on the first website and then scroll down until you see this tab that says NCED Cloud. Once you're there, you'll be able to see this one here that says Scan Students QR code. You'll hit that one. Once you see your face, you will have to get your kid's QR code and put it on the camera like this. I'm getting this, and now you have to click on Clever icon, and once you're here you will have to click here where it says login with NCED Cloud, and there you go. You should be able to see the apps, Dreambox, Lexia, but this time you will use this one. The app, you have to download the app, and this is how it looks like. Okay, bye.